Stay tuned after the show for exclusive Indiegogo offers.
Meet the Coral One Ultra, the best way to clean your home ever. Everyone knows what a robot vacuum is, but we always wish they could do a whole lot more. So that's why we invented the Coral One Ultra, a different kind of RoboVac. So what makes the Coral One Ultra so different? The Coral One Ultra is the world's first autonomous robot with a built-in handheld vacuum ever.
With the Coral Compass, you're gonna be the sexiest man at Best Buy.
Included with every Coral One.
Our patented design was made by one of those Goodwill hunting types who thought it was time for robot vacuums to grow up. Getting started is really easy. Press the button and watch the Coral One go. There's also a personalized app built around your lifestyle. We'll add a bunch more features and over-the-air updates. Just you wait.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, been a little too nice for y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball of days. I'm flipping the balls. I'm flipping the arm.
We're building the robots of the future and the future of your home. And that starts with Coral. Coral One Ultra, the best way to clean your home ever.
Hi, my name is Ted, and I am the CEO and one of the co-founders here at Coral. Thank you so much for watching our Indiegogo video. We're excited to announce some early bird specials exclusive on Indiegogo. We're offering the Coral One Ultra for $4.99 and the Coral One Lite for just $2.99. So make sure to get in line early as we'll only have some limited quantities available. Thank you so much for your support, and we're excited to bring you the new Coral One Ultra.